What's up, T-boders? This is Ty from tbodfitness.com. Today we're going to be going over how to do a body weight dip. Body weight dip can be done literally anywhere in your house, whether it be a couch, a chair, or something that is about knee height. The body weight dip works the muscles in the arms known as the triceps. The triceps are the part of the muscle that is underneath the arms, not the top of the arms. To begin the dip, you'll want to find something that is about knee height. Put your hands on the object with your back to the object. Hold your body weight up with your knuckles facing forward. Walk out from the object until you are just on your heels. From there, you'll want to lower your body down to the ground without actually touching the ground. A full contraction happens when the top of your arm or the top of your tricep is level with the ground. This will ensure that you are in a full contraction when you are doing the body weight dip. From there, push against the object and push down to the ground, lifting your body back up. By doing this, you will make sure that you are getting a proper contraction of the tricep muscle. If you find that a regular on the heels dip is too difficult, you can always bend your knees to make it a little bit easier. By bending the knees, you displace the center of gravity as you perform the body weight dip. By doing so, you will lift less weight as you perform the exercise. If you find that doing a regular body weight dip is too easy, you will want to find something to put your feet on top of. If you put your feet on top of a structure as you're doing the dip, you will displace your weight and make the tricep do more work. This will ensure that you are getting an even more contraction and stressing the tricep muscle that much more, making you lift more weight and more of your body weight as you perform the exercise. Now, there are a few wrong ways that you can do the body weight dip. If your hands are facing forward, but your elbows are flaring out to the side, you will be working the shoulders much more than you are working the triceps. So make sure that you keep your elbows close as you perform the body weight dip. Likewise, if you are letting yourself come down to the ground and actually touching the ground every time you come down, you will be taking the stress off of the triceps and giving them a moment's peace as you do the body weight dip. This in turn will not work the triceps as effectively as if you were keeping your body off the ground the entire time. Alright, T-boders, now you know how to do the body weight dip. Adding this to any exercise that is utilizing the triceps will help strengthen and tone those muscles depending on your specific training goals. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you liked the video and want me to cover more exercises like this one, sound off in the comment section below. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video upload. If you are looking for a program that puts the body weight dip into a routine that works best for you, head on over to tbodfitness.com. At tbodfitness.com, we offer customized routines by way of online personal training. We also offer online nutritional coaching if you want to learn how to eat the proper way. We also offer local one-on-one training with a trainer. Remember that success is achieved by staying consistent and always making the next right choice. That's tbodfitness.com. Finish strong.